Hi guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I just want to do a couple of VRs for some super lovely ladies, so let me get into it. So the first VR is for Corn. Hopefully you guys know her, and if not, I definitely hope you will go by her channel. Her channel name is Cornflower Crafts. She's doing a fun giveaway, and she made a gorgeous tag flip, and she made two different styles, and she's giving one away. And she's asking for a VR to spread the word about her challenge and boost her subscribers. So I hope that you guys will go see what she creates, because she does tons of crafty videos, makes lots of pretty things, and she does a lot of crafty hauls. So, and her husband, handsome, you will love them. They really are entertaining to watch. So, Corn from Cornflower Crafts, guys, go by and check her out. The next VR is for Charis. Her channel name is Smile is the New Color. Hopefully you guys will go by and check out her channel as well. She does a lot of different things, not just one thing, but of course she's crafty as well. And she's doing a challenge, and she's asking for a memory dex card. So let me show you my memory dex card. I made it for fall, and that's how it looks, guys. I made a chunky rosette. This is the first time I actually made a chunky rosette. And I put the word full on here, and I thought that was enough after the chunky rosette with the wood chip. So yeah, this is what I meant, guys. This is the wood sticker, the little leaf sticker from the Dollar Tree that I used to embellish the rosette. And I just put some glitter on there, and I put a little gold threading right behind it, some trim. And I thought it came out really pretty. On the back side here, I just added some of these gold leaves. Those are from that bucket at the Target dollar spot. And then in the middle, I like to tuck my info on the tag. And this one, I actually was really excited. I finally used the Cricut to print it out and draw my info. And I don't know why I never thought to do that before, because it looks so much neater. So that is my Memdex. All right, guys, that is it for today. Those were my VRs for Cornflower Crafts, and Charis, Smile is the New Color. All of their information will be linked down in the description box. And as always, I hope you enjoyed my video today. And please, guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.